guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I am working on Sarah from POOCHIEZ Nails Realistic Practice Hands, and I'm using the white coffin tips, but I've just filed them down because I want these to be a nice like almondy stiletto type shape. You can get POOCHIEZ hands and the tips from my website. I'm also going to be using, this is kind of like a first impressions type of swatch type video on Obsessive Compulsive by GLAM GLITS, which you can get from the Nail Tech Network. And I do have a 6% off discount code that is linked in the description box down below. I'm also using my Mia Secret Clear and my Mia Secret White and my Mia Secret Monomer, and you can get all of those from the website, my website, www.idlegirl.co.uk. I will leave links to them in the video somewhere. There are also always links in the description box. So yeah, if you're ever wondering about anything, then check out the description box because you might find your answer down there. So yeah, like I said, this video is just really to showcase this colour, to try it out, to see what it looks like, and that's what we're doing. So this pinky finger is just a full nail of the Obsessive Compulsive blue colour. Moving on to this nail, and it is one of my classic marble designs that is in pretty much every set I do, and you know what, I don't care, I love it, it's my favourite, I just love marbling, so it's probably always going to be in pretty much every set I do. So yeah, this is just the white and the blue marbled together on the whole nail. I decided to do a ombre, like French fade type thing on this nail. So I'm taking the white on the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to go in with the blue at the cuticle and pull that down. I just think this is like a Tiffany blue, like totally Tiffany blue. I do have now another blue from GLAM GLITS that's very similar to this one, but less greeny and more bluey, if that makes sense. So I will be having a video on that one at some point in the very close future. So yes, I'm just going in with this colour now, and I'm just taking it in and just pulling it down, and basically just playing about a little bit until I get the fade how I want it. I wasn't really too sure what to do on this last finger, so I just decided to do another marble nail. This one doesn't go as well as the other one. I think I was working too dry, basically. But yeah, it's just still another marble nail, and I'm just going to marble the colours together. I'm just going to come back in and add a little more colour to this because I wasn't 100% happy with the opacity and the fade. So basically with these kind of nails, you just play with them until you're happy. I'm usually never happy with these, but this one did turn out quite nice. Probably one of the best like ombres that I've done. I think the colours, because they were both quite pale colours, they kind of went quite nicely together. So yeah. So I'm now going to come in and just cap all these nails. This is a really simple set, by the way, you guys, and it's a really quick set to do as well, but still very pretty. So I'm just going to come in and cap these nails. I haven't sped this up like super fast like I normally do because I do think that I was a lot quicker at capping these nails. They're a shorter length, and yeah, it was just a lot easier. If I sound like I'm like ill, I think it's hay fever, and yeah, I can't really breathe very well, so just to let you guys know about that. So I'm going to let you guys just watch me cap all these nails. This is like an easier set for me to cap, because as you guys know, I'm not the best at capping, and when I do the long ones, I really do struggle. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch me do the capping. So once I'm happy with the capping of these nails, I'm just going to go in and file them as usual. I then will go and buff, but for some reason I didn't have this on camera. I'm wondering if I forgot to buff this set, which is really, really bad, and I would advise always buff your nails because you want to get rid of any scratches and any marks and just get it nice and smooth. But yeah, either I forgot or I just like I missed it out when I was like editing. I don't know. But either way, I'm telling you all, buff the nails. I'm then going to go in after the buffing and I'm just going to wipe off with some acetone, get rid of all the dust, and also just smooth that top layer out a wee little bit. And then it will be time to top coat. We're using the Colour Couture top coat as always. And yeah, I can't wait for this to be finished because I just really don't like it that much. So I'm just going to top coat all of these nails and then I will cure them. And then once they are cured, I will just wipe over with some gel residue wipe off solution by Nails. And this is the finished result, you guys. I do like these nails. They're very subtle, very not in your face at all. Just nice, classy. I like the French fade. I think that might be my favourite one on this set of nails, and it's normal the marble. So yeah, this is a really cute Tiffany blue and I really like it. So yeah, if you want to get your 6% off, the discount code and the website is linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me some comments down below because that really does help me out. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button and join our little YouTube family. I love you guys so much, and literally your support means everything to me, which you already know. So I'm going to love you guys and I'm going to leave you all, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!